How to get paper money option on Cash App. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can get the paper money option on Cash App once your account is fully verified. This might require your full name, date of birth, and social security number. You can use a participating retailer, and if you don't know which, you can check out the Cash App support where you find all of the deposit location in which you can find the option of the paper deposit. Once you have located the location, you can head over to your nearest retailer. Once you are at the retailer, launch a Cash App and make sure you are logged in. Then you can head over to the Banking tab and select on the option of paper money. You can either show a QR code that will be visible in the device, and the cashier can scan through it and provide you with the paper money. Or you can even swipe a card if you have one with you. So this is how you can get a paper money option on Cash App. If you need more help and assistance, you can check out the Cash App support. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. This sums up the tutorial as well.